My shirt is dirty. I don't want you guys to see that. I'm sorry. I live in the jungle. Give me a break. Anyways, hello, my name is Maddie, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool movement called pulling rope, and this is for the tightness in your chest and your shoulders, and essentially all we're doing is extending our arms towards the ceiling. I really love filming this because when I was filming it I was looking up to the blue sky, so maybe you go and do this outside, but it's a really nice movement not only to release the muscles in your chest, and also is near your diaphragm, but it also is really great for what's happening around the shoulder blades. So I want you to move gently and really concentrate on when you are bringing your arm back and relaxing it, to go slow and to let that relaxation happen, because essentially what we're doing is we're just reviving neural pathways and telling your brain and your body that it's safe to relax these muscles that we have habitually tensed, or maybe we tense because of anxiety or emotional trauma. If that's you, no worries. I'm a PTSD girly myself, happens to the best of us. But I love this movement, especially if you're having a hard time breathing in your center. So if you're ready, I will see you on your mat or your carpet or your bed or wherever you want to do this practice. You don't need anything sticky, you just need to feel comfortable, and see you there. Bend your knees, place your feet on the ground. Then we're going to bring our awareness into the chest area and really target the muscles that show up in our red light, our startle reflex, and a lot of people have tightness in. So I'll have you take your right hand and bring it to your left side of your chest, underneath your armpit, and up towards your collarbone, and just feel that whole area, letting your brain know that this area is what we want to feel. And then taking your arm back down and switching sides, left hand to the right side of the chest, underneath the armpit, and just creating awareness of that area, that space, and letting your arm rest down. And then bringing both arms up towards the ceiling or the sky above you, as if you were a zombie coming out of a coffin or a room. And then thinking about this movement coming from the shoulder blades, start to extend your right fingertips up towards the ceiling, up towards the sky, and feel your shoulder blades slide away from your back, your chest engage, and very slowly with control allow it to lower back down. Taking this movement a second time, extend the arm up, feel the chest engage, notice the weight move into the left side, and then gently relax it out, allowing the shoulder on the right side to fully come back to neutral. Take a breath into the right side of your chest, give yourself a break, and just allow yourself to be. Extend your right fingertips up once more. You can let your head roll a little bit to the left if it wants to. And then slowly soften out really smoothly. And if you notice those little bumps and jiggles, perfect. If your eyes are closed, see if you can open your eyes and notice as you extend your arm what happens. Extending and lifting the right fingertips up. Feel the chest engage. And slowly soften down. Bring your arms down to either side of your body. And tune into any differences you feel between the right and the left side. If you can sense a difference in your breath, extend your arms up to the ceiling or the sky again. And this time we are going to start with the left side. So starting with your shoulders relaxed and at neutral, not extended up quite yet, just the arms reaching out. Start to extend your left fingertips up and away from you and feel the left side of the chest engage. And then gently relax it back down. Beautiful. Taking this movement a second time, extending the fingertips up. Feel the left side of the chest engage. And then gently lower it down. This time as you extend up, notice if you're bringing your arm more towards your forehead or down towards your chest, or if it extends fully just up and away, remembering whatever you experience is correct for this moment and letting it relax. Really feel the muscles in your chest, underneath your armpit, let go of the contraction. And you might notice that there is like a thump, 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 thump as you lower. This is normal. It's a very tight area for most people. And extending just one more time. See if you can make it smooth and effortless. Allow yourself to relax back down. See if it can stay smooth and effortless. And then bring your arms by your side. Give yourself a moment to relax. Extending your arms up towards the ceiling once again. And the movement we're going to do is called pulling rope. So I want you to imagine that you almost had a piece of rope connected to a lever that you were pulling back and forth. And begin by lifting the left arm up as high as you can, creating that tension in the chest, the twisting in your shoulders. And then lifting your right arm up and towards the ceiling, and noticing how eventually the left arm has to release down to allow the right arm to go to its full range of motion. So pushing up and then switching sides, bringing the opposite side up and letting the right shoulder blade gently sink down, and then switching, right shoulder blade extends up and the left shoulder blade goes down. And keeping that light tension as you move from side to side, notice how your chest bone tips back and forth, almost like a teeter-totter. And sense if you can feel that twist moving down to your waistline and your rib cage. And you may notice that your head and your neck wants to turn as you take this movement. Relax both arms to the side. Close your eyes and breathe.
inside your legs long to match.
How are you feeling? How are you breathing? I hope that you're breathing a lot better than you were when we started, and that there's a lot of spaciousness. If you're feeling something, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Like this video. It helps me when you like this video, but you know, if you didn't like this video, don't tell anyone. Keep that to yourself. I don't want anyone to know. This is what I do for a living. Please help me out, my friends. And if you are loving these sequences, if you're loving somatic movement, I want you to head to my website and check out my head to my website and check out my new program, Inner Architecture. I also teach group classes online, in person, and I love to do privates. Like if you want a little bit more one-on-one attention, just send me a message or book a discovery call. I have 100 different resources and I would love to work with you. And otherwise, be safe, make good decisions, and we'll see you next time.